everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name's Theresa and I am so excited to share with you a new cake trend called comic cakes. We are going to walk through how you can make one at home today using a grocery store cake. So we'll also be doing a tutorial next week on how to make it from scratch with fondant and all the fixings that you're seeing online. But most importantly, if you have a special birthday coming up, maybe a nephew of ours that needs a comic cartoon cake, go grab that cake from the grocery store or your local bakery and then ask them if they have time, or if not, let's do it together today so that you're ready for the party and your kid is wowed by a new cake trend that they didn't even know that you knew about. So let's get started. The most important illusion that you need to create on your comic cartoon cake is the black lines. So you notice on the sheet that I'm showing you right now, I am piping the black outline first. And that means when we peel this up, that's the first thing that people are gonna see on the cake, and it will resemble what you've already done to the other parts of your grocery store cake. Then you're going to want to take those colored candy melts and then pipe right on top. Now, it doesn't matter if you cover the black that you've already done. You'll notice that I'm trying not to do that because I want to be able to have everybody look around the back and the front of the cake. So it was important to me to maintain the black lines, but in reality, some of our future videos, you will see that I'm just going to cover those black lines up because it doesn't matter most of the time when you peel it up and put it where you need to be on your dessert, and no one's gonna see the back, they're only gonna see the front. So what you'll see that I'm using to pipe the candle on is just a clear plastic sheet. That's why I'm calling it acetate sheet. It's very common if you work in any type of bakery. I used to form these adorable little chocolate desserts at a steakhouse that I used to be a pastry chef at way back when I first started dating Cam. Fun little fact about Theresa. We'll be linking it below. Another way that you can use this to create the candle topper is you can use parchment paper, wax paper, really anything that won't let something stick. And preferably, I like it when there's a clear thing because we're going to be putting some templates out. If you're not the best artist or freehander, don't worry. We've got you covered. We are working on some assets that you'll just be able to print and put it underneath your plastic or your sheet and be able to trace it, and then everybody will think you're an artist and be asking you to make their kids' birthday cakes. So you'll see that I am piping lines around the cake. You'll notice that it's not a consistent line because it's a cartoon. You want to have those breaks so that it visually looks like someone has drawn on to the cake. Anywhere that there is a 3D effect on your cake, you will want to take that black and line it. So that's the tip for making this really shine. I truly hope that you have found value in today's video. Hopefully you can go run to your bakery, grab some black icing, and make your own comic cartoon cake today. Now, please stay tuned for next week because I'm very excited. I am creating a very special character. We love him. It's a cartoon, and we're making our next from scratch fondant, real comic cartoon cake featuring a very special character. If you head on over to our Instagram Reels and or our Instagram page, you will see a sneak glimpse. And I'm curious, I'll pop a little picture up here. Do you know who this character is? Comment below who you think this cartoon character is going to be featured on next week's video, Monday. Hope you get a chance to check us out, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you real soon. Acetate tape. Acetate sheet. Early in the morning.